Hey everybody, this is my bike check, 2013 motherfuckers. Well, right now, I got a 2012, or actually 2011, Verde Eon. I got just a Verde Eon frame, stock forged, Fit Inman bars. Don't really know the rise. I'm pretty sure it's like 8.23 or something like that. ODI long necks in red, stock stem that I got, extra spacer, that's it. And then I got a stolen revolver front wheel and a stolen hub, and then I got the Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones pegs, and the cranks, they're also just stock. I like them because they're kind of like little, but they're still nice. And then I got the Animal Hamilton PC pedals. They're pretty good. Sometimes a lot of times people don't like them because they grind down really easily. And I got the Flybike Uno seat post combo. And I got just the stock sprocket that it came with. Oh yeah, and I have 2.38, I think. No, like 2.32 or 8. Rant tires, tan walls, and I got a nitrous rim with a double shot back hub, and that's it. That's my bike check. Peace.